What's up guys, welcome to another reaction video. Today's episode sorry, I'm actually Facebook calling my friend and he's just like watching me react. But anyways, say hi to him. Hey Corey, you're on YouTube. Okay. Well, comment below if you want to see Corey in an episode of Metalheads React. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna be reacting to NCT 127's Fire Truck. So let's get started. Getting lifted. Damn, okay. Oh, there's a white girl in there. Damn. This is like the SM's like releasing these pre-lit tracks. Like this kind of style. They usually do like 90s type throwback. Oh, nice front flip. Pretty nice beat. Okay. That flow though. For a second there, I thought someone was jizzing, but it's actually just like a fire hose. Sounds like G-Dragon. Okay, now it's not. Is this taking place in America? I don't know, it's good, but at the same time it's not that impressive. I actually like 7th Sense better. I guess it'll grow on me after the second listen. Maybe if I see more of the choreography, maybe I'll be more impressed. Oh, now it's like an old style type video. Fantastic vocals. Someone's jizzing. They're jizzing all over the place. Actually, no, it's not really, I think it's kind of a 90s throwback, never mind. Because I can hear some of this in the 90s. NCT 127. What's going on? And they're in the backyard. Yeah, I feel like this is like a 90s throwback, like, I don't know. But yeah, it's an alright song. It's not as good as the 7th Sense in my opinion. But I guess it's still pretty good beat in some areas, but yeah. I expected more from SM Entertainment, but yeah. So I hope you guys like this reaction. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.